driving so much you had to do an emergency stop?
I've never actually abandoned a test for someone chatting so much.
Listen, you're a hater.
I'm actually thinking about it. Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today I have a learner driver, like always, who I've never met before. Before we start, I'm going to show you what this learner driver messaged me on Instagram. Yeah, that's where you guys need to drop a message if you want to be selected for one of these free mock tests. Yeah, the learner driver's name is Shaho, and Shaho, is it okay if I show everyone what you read out? Yeah,
go ahead.
Okay, this was a while ago. Yeah, a few months ago now. Yeah, so he wrote, "Hello, I'm a 17-year-old who has just passed his theory test with only 3 hours of total revision. I got 49 out of 50. I'm just too smart." Yeah.
What can I say, man?
Right. I'm willing to do a mock test for your videos as my first driving lesson. Yeah, so he goes, he's never driven before, but he was willing to do a mock test. Obviously, I took a while to reply like I normally do, yeah. So he reckons you're gonna pass?
Nah.
Nah?
Nah, but still, I'll do either way.
So you really back down from the confidence in the message, yeah?
Nah, I still got the confidence, I'm just being realistic.
Okay, cool. Right, so I just point that out, yeah. And before we get started, guys, two things. Firstly, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to like the video. And the other thing, any of you that are learning to drive, please check out my ultimate driving course.
The videos obviously help you because you're going into that lesson knowing exactly what you're going to do, and just having that knowledge just makes that lesson faster and you feel a lot better.
38 easy to understand, precise videos covering every single topic required to pass the driving test. These are not just theory based, they are practical videos demonstrating everything from moving off and stopping a vehicle to all of the maneuvers and every other module required. So if you're lacking knowledge, or maybe your instructor has forgotten to cover something, or you're just not grasping a certain topic, then this course has it covered. You can watch the videos before your driving lessons, which means you'll get into the car knowing exactly what to do. This will definitely save you time on your lessons.
Right then, Shaho. So tell me about your driving. Obviously, when you messaged, you had no lessons.
Yeah.
But since then, what's happened?
Obviously, I got some lessons. I'm alright. The only things I need to work on is probably roundabouts and uphill starts, maybe, yeah.
Okay, and how many lessons have you had roughly?
10, 12, I'm not really sure.
Okay, any questions before we start?
Nah, man, go ahead.
You watch the videos. If you do make a fault, I won't say anything until the end of the test, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, and for those of you watching, if Shaho does make a fault, I'll talk about it just before it happens and tell you, just so you guys can educate. Obviously, I can educate you guys on it. Right, so whenever you're ready, if you could move off for me, please. At this left turn, Shaho steers onto the other side of the road and keeps the clutch pedal down. You should only keep the clutch pedal down if you're stopping.
I didn't indicate at the start, did I? Calm.
So Shaho, what do you do at the moment? Studying? Working?
Yeah, I'm in college right now doing my A-levels.
Oh, okay.
Got an A-level exam tomorrow morning, but here I am in Wolverhampton.
So should be revising, shouldn't you? Really?
Yeah, it should be.
Good luck for tomorrow anyway.
Yeah, man, is what is. I'm just too smart and I'll get it either way.
At the traffic lights, turn right, please. At these traffic lights, he makes two serious faults. When these lights turn green, he positions in the middle to wait for the oncoming traffic, which is good. But when moving off, he stalls and his reaction to restart the car wasn't quick enough. He's about to go when there is traffic approaching from both sides. I had to stop him.
That stall.
Stop. Lights are changed to red now, aren't they?
Are they? I'm just too smart, innit?
Our light turns green, and as we turn right, there is a red light which isn't for us. It's for the traffic to our left and right. Shaho is about to stop, so again I had to intervene. Keep going. Go, go, go.
I'm just too smart in it.
When overtaking a cyclist, you should leave around 1.5 meters of space. Shaho overtakes well. His roundabouts were quite good. Shaho does rush off the clutch, but positions well and checks the mirrors before exiting. He does exit onto the right hand lane, which isn't an issue as long as you move back to the left lane when it's safe.
Park up anywhere safe on the left, please.
When parking up, he scrapes the curb. Ouch.
That didn't happen.
Now this is a narrow road with parked vehicles. He deals well with the first car, but then is approaching the meeting situation with the next car too fast. He should have slowed down and stopped sooner. I had to stop the car for him.
Appreciate that. Oh, nice guy. A small guy.
Okay, I'm just stopping the car here.
Yeah.
There's nowhere else to stop now.
I'm just too smart in it. I got this. See that?
Yeah, I saw that.
There's a double green point for that. Oh, don't ruin my. Listen, we got a space here. Appreciate that.
At the end of the road, turn left, please.
This is a stop junction, at which Shaho notices the stop sign but still fails to stop. He thought his main fault was the late signal.
If you wanna write down late indication, go ahead, man.
I'm going to let you off with the indication on that one.
Should I be the driving instructor? Come on, man. What are you letting me off for? You give me a hard route, you gotta be strict with it.
Turn right.
I'm just too smart in it.
This was another meeting situation that he approaches too fast and was getting very close to this parked vehicle. I had to brake. Now he selects third gear, so ends up stalling and then blames the car. I could have given him another serious fault for observations as he attempted to move off while the vehicle behind was trying to overtake. I let him off with that one.
Car's on.
It's still on.
Yeah, it's on, yeah. Wait.
You got a silly car, you know that.
Okay, it's because you're in gear 3, yeah. It's
Am
not
I in
the
gear
car.
3 for?
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, it should move off now.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, a bit more gas.
It's jerking a bit. You see, when I drive my Lambo, it doesn't do that. Just saying.
Silly car, silly drivers.
Nah,
I
man,
wonder.
silly car. Don't blame me, man. I'm too smart for this road.
I'm not blaming you, no, just replying to you, you saying silly car.
Because Like I was driving my Bugatti last week. It doesn't do that. Just saying.
It's probably automatic, yeah, that's why.
Nah, it's manual. Trust. It's got 4 clutches.
Okay, if you could build up your speed now, yeah? Shortly I'm going to ask you to do the emergency stop. Okay? He reacts and stops really well during this emergency stop. When moving off after an emergency stop, you should check both blind spots. Shaho doesn't check the blind spots. Stop. Thank you. And move off when you're ready, please.
Alright. You put me on the spot now.
At this stage of the test, Shaho started waffling on too much.
The thing is, yeah, with me, when I drive a car, it changes the reality and the aspects of the economical status of the world. You get me? Inflation goes down, it deflates when I drive.
Oh, it's been a while since I heard so much crap. End of the road, turn right, please.
See, your mind can't handle it. It's because you're getting old, man. You're retiring. You said left, yeah?
No, I said right.
Oh, you said right, yeah? Same thing. You see, is right really left or is right left? You gotta think about these things.
Shaho doesn't notice this pedestrian at the zebra crossing. It was okay for me to intervene as there was no one close behind.
I think your light fell. I'm not sure though.
Yeah, it is, yeah.
Yeah, let's move away from here first. You miss driving so much you had to do an emergency stop. You said right, yeah?
Yep.
My bad. I'm getting old. See, when I was your age, back in mine, they didn't have those phones. It's reducing your attention span, that is. But it's okay.
You know, the more you talk,
What's up?
the worse the video title and thumbnail's gonna be.
Whoa. These false accusations. I'm here spreading truths and facts and that.
To be honest, half of the stuff she's saying just going straight over my head anyway, right?
Exactly. See, that's the problem with today's society.
Sometimes it's good.
You're just a hater, you know.
No, I'm just saying.
I know you go on my Insta and you dislike my stuff. You know what? I'm disliking this video. My own video, I don't care. Since you want to be a hater.
No, I'm just saying sometimes it's good just to like not stowing for that people are chatting.
See, this is why you're failing at the economical status of the world.
Am I?
Yes, man. When I was your age, I was in the gym daily. People train hard. I train to make people hard. That's the difference. Can we stop smiling? This is a serious conversation. Let's keep it civil.
I've never actually abandoned a test for someone chatting so much.
Listen, you're a hater.
I'm actually thinking about it. Just park up on the right hand side there, please.
Yeah.
I've never been so happy to be back at the test centre and to end a driving test. Let's give Shaho some feedback if he listens. That's fine there. And switch off the engine. Okay, I'm glad that's over. Right, sorry,
Whoa. What's this for? I'll walk out right now. I'll go home. I'll walk home.
You sure?
Yeah, you maybe come all the way to Wolverhampton just to try and violate me.
No, I'm just
because I'm spreading facts.
No, it's just because it was obviously busy. The test took quite a long time. That's all. Right. So, how do you think you did?
So obviously,
honestly, focusing on your driving now. How do you think you did? If it was your test today.
Obviously, if you weren't getting excited for emergency stops because you're bored of driving, I failed in it, but...
Yeah, do you realise where your faults were?
Because when I first moved off, I didn't indicate, like, at the start.
That wasn't an issue, because there's no one around really here, okay? You know these face lights that you got to?
Yeah.
You were waiting in the middle, yeah?
Mm.
And... you've stalled, not the best place to stall. Then lights are turned red, and you're about to go. Yeah, when the traffic on, obviously when your lights turn red, the lights on the side turn green, don't they? Yeah.
Yeah, so.
But even when you stalled there, yeah, and you could have moved, that was that. But then when you turn right, when the lights did turn green, you know when you turned.
Yeah, there was a red light. I stopped.
Yeah, that wasn't for you.
Yeah, it just threw me off a bit. Cause
Yeah. Okay. So I think that's one area that you do need to improve on against the crossroads. Turning right.
Yeah.
Okay. Positioning wise, and just yeah, you need to do some of those traffic light control crossroads. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay. Your roundabouts weren't too bad at all. You said your issue with roundabouts maybe, yeah, but
lane discipline.
they were pretty good.
Yeah, but in Birmingham, there's like a roundabout with 9 exits.
Okay, obviously those kind of roundabouts are going to need some more work maybe, yeah. But you know these roundabouts where I made you follow signs to Dudley, right and right again.
Yeah.
You stuck to your lane well, and you didn't. The main thing we look at, you didn't change lanes without checking your mirrors. You knew what was happening.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So the main thing is to stay safe, stay in your lane, and only change lanes when you know it's safe. So that part was good. Yeah.
So you felt safe, yeah?
The roundabouts, yeah. But then after that, it kind of really fell apart. To be honest, it was like, you know, that tight, narrow road. Cars coming when the first car gave you it, but then after that, you were just getting too close. You were really close to a couple of the parked cars. I had to go for the brake. Yeah, that happened twice on the following road as well. And then that one time when you're trying to move off in gear 3 and you're blaming the car.
It was the wind, man.
Yeah.
It was the
Okay.
wind.
So you know, if you like, serious advice for your test, if you stall, like you were saying that hills might be a bit of a struggle. You were stalling, yeah, a couple of times, but you reacted really well. But then that time, you know, if you do stall, just double check your gear as well. If you check your gear, you would have been okay. If you stall once and react well, it's okay.
Yeah.
Okay. But if you're in the wrong gear, and we were holding up the traffic behind that blue car, we just wanted to overtake as well. Yeah. And the zebra crossing should be stopping for anyone that's waiting like that. Yeah.
It's too strict, isn't it?
Okay.
It's doing too much.
But that's what you want when you come here for a mock test. Yeah.
Listen, he was just mad. I was doing so well, yeah. He had to do something.
But yeah, overall, for 10-12 lessons, not bad. But you obviously need to do a bit more work on, especially crossroads. Be a bit more confident with that clutch, like I say, your reactions as well. But these tight meeting situations with there's oncoming cars, don't rush it that close to the parked cars.
Because normally when I drive my Bugatti, they give me way in it because luxury cars and that.
Let's end that there. And when you go for your test, yeah, just don't talk much. Yeah, because even if you drove perfectly today, I would have just failed you for being so annoying.
I don't even talk. I'm not talking. You're seeing things, man.
Okay. Right then, Shaho, thank you very much for coming down for the mock test.
No worries, man.
Okay. Entertaining and annoying mock test. And guys, like always, thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.